Here's a quick comparison between LMDE 7 and Debian 13 Trixie. As you can see, LMDE 7 is just like a Linux Mint, so it is available on different countries or just on the USA and France and Denmark. On the other hand, Debian Trixie is having a hard time for you to download since not all installers is available on each countries. Now here's a table for concise comparison. For basic philosophy, LMDE 7 is a desktop-focused distribution built on top of Debian's stable, act as contingency plan for Linux Mint, while Debian 13 is an upstream stable base focuses on universal compatibility. On default desktop and UI, LMDE 7 is a Cinnamon 6.4 highly customized, while Debian 13 offers a wide range of official desktop environments. To custom tools and UX, LMDE 7 includes all Linux Mint custom graphical tools, while Debian 13 uses standard Debian tools. So if you like a high-quality tools for graphic tools, LMDE 7 should be the right one for you. But if you want a standard tools, Debian Trixie is also a good one.